Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Hey. What's wrong with you, dude? Oh my God, not today. Of all the days. Come on, man, we're on the clock here. We've got to land and figure this out as soon as possible. Out of power again? You gotta be kidding me. I just charged them last night. I don't think I have a spare battery either. We need new batteries fast, or it's game over. Even if you guys are running on fumes. Huh? Wow. Hey guys, look! Everyone's gearing up for Christmas. But wait, what's the real magic behind all of this? LiTime battery? I think I've seen this before. Look over there. The fishing folks? They're also running on LiTime. And RVs? Same story. Guys, these things are everywhere. If it's good enough for RVs, maybe it can save our butts. God, be careful. Look. Wow, LiTime even works for golf carts?
Excuse me?
Oh, sorry. Alright, I get it. Time to ditch the old school stuff and level up to LiTime batteries. Ready, team? Let's kick it into high gear. We're back on schedule. Wow, this is fast. Only one LiTime battery to pull this off. You know what? If we were using lead-acid batteries, we definitely need twice as many. Alright, folks, present time. Here, Belong, give LiTime a spin. Wait, Santa's bringing the best deals this Christmas. From now to December 26th, meet LiTime crazy discounts. Don't miss out.